Well, hello everybody. This is my day 6 video. Although I did a little bit of work yesterday and a little bit today. We're having a heck of a windstorm out there and I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I was trying to take it a little bit easy, but here's kind of the progress. Basically worked on this area here on the flooring. Got all that done on that side. Went all the way to here and finished these couple boards and got a few going into the restroom. But yeah, these had a lot of cuts and was a bit of a challenge to try to get them in. Basically had to tap them into place instead of just folding them in like normal. But yeah, shouldn't be too much to finish going to the wall. I'm gonna have to remove those boards at the end and probably just go flooring underneath and then screw them back down and trim that piece that covers it up. And then there's another little window here, but that one just screws in to the side frame, so it's not really a big deal. I'm just going to go a little higher. But that's kind of the progress. Not much done here, but I did pull the slide in because of the wind, and I noticed down there I have a little bit of a gap. Nope, not focusing. Right down there. So yeah, probably I'm gonna take that piece out and put a little bit longer one so we're not seeing that when the slide's in. Although, I mean, you can't really tell. The counter's gonna be in, but still, I'll know. Yeah, the other thing is I found these little shoe molding, scribe molding. It's a little bit different color. It's really shows up here. It's mahogany, but I think once I nail them down against that floor, we're not going to be able to tell. But I'm going to go around basically everywhere where the floor meets the cabinets. Along there, just to cover all those little uneven cuts. Not sure what I'm going to do on this side yet because I don't have trim that matches this color, the wall. So we'll see. But yeah, we got that done. Next, I got to go around the bed, and the bed's curved on the back also over that way. So this will be a little bit of a project, but full board that way. I'll peel that trim. I need more of that trim. That's what I need to go around here if I had something like that. But we'll see. All right, so that's day 6. We got 7, just under 8 weeks left before our trip. Catch you next time.